Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Jessica Rema. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepare this soft hot milk vanilla cake. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Please, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that golden bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Here are the ingredients needed for this cake recipe. Here I've got butter, eggs, salt, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. Now into a clean pot, I've added the milk. Into it, I'll add the butter. I'll start turning it continuously. Once the milk boils, once the milk starts boiling, turn off the gas and continue turning until the butter is completely melted. Remove it from the gas and set aside. So now I will sieve all the dried ingredients. I've added the flour, the baking powder, the salt. I will mix this properly and set it aside. So now into a separate bowl, I'll just crack the eggs and set it aside. Now I'll prepare the baking pan. I've added some oil. I'll grease it properly with this oil. You can use butter instead of oil, or you can use your spray. So today I'm using oil. I'll just grease it properly and add a little flour to it, and the pan is ready. The essence of doing this is just to make sure that the cake wouldn't stick to the pan after baking, especially if you're using a sticking pan. So do this properly and set it aside. So now using a blender, I'll add the egg and the sugar. I'll blend this together on a high heat for 2 minutes. So the egg and the sugar will be properly mixed together. You will know when the egg and the sugar has turned pale white. Yeah, once the color has changed, that's after like 2 minutes, then it's ready. As you can see, the color has changed, so it's ready. So now into a mixing bowl, I'll pour the mixture. This is where I'll be mixing the whole batter. So I'll just pour the mixture and preheat my oven to 175 degrees depending on your oven capacity. So now I'll just give this a stir and add the vanilla extract. Once you add this, then I will start adding the flour and the melted milk and butter. I'll be adding this bit by bit, alternating it. I'll add flour, I'll add melted milk and butter until it's all finished. So once you add the flour, you start folding it in one direction. Your mixing should be in one direction until the whole batter is ready, just like I'm doing it. Just fold in one direction. So now everything is smooth and well mixed. I will pour it into the baking pan. Once I pour it into the baking pan, immediately I will put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Just like I said before, depending on your oven capacity, I'll be baking this in 175 degrees for 30 minutes. Just lift it so that the air bubbles will go away. So now, after 30 minutes, look at the cake. So now I'll just check it with toothpick. Once it's not sticking to the pin, that shows the cake is ready. So guys, look at the cake. I'll be giving it a cut, though it's still hot, but I can't wait. I love hot cake, you know, that fresh aroma. So this is it, guys. Very yummy and soft. So this is the cake. So I'll be placing it on a cooling rack. Let it cool down properly. So guys, this is it. Very soft and yummy. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching till the end. Please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Thank you so much and remain blessed. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.